Here is how you can delete attachments from messages on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. Subscribe if you're new and we can get into it. So, of course, part of your messages you can get inside of your past conversations and things like the voice recordings or some attached photos or videos are part of this past chat, so you can always come back to those. But if you want to delete them, I think it's best to go to the settings and find the general section where you can see the iPhone storage, and part of this you can see the breakdown of the situation and what's taking up the space. But I would just go and look up the messages in the list of applications, and you can see you can manage the stuff like the attached photos, stickers, and delete the things right here. So if I go into the photos, I literally just have like a one picture, but I can click on a delete like this and it's going to be removed from my conversations, and most importantly it's going to take up less storage. So in my case it's not really dramatic, but if you have some stuff accumulated over time, then this is the best way to remove it. For example, I can go to the other, which is basically just for the voice recordings, as I said, but I can as well swipe left and delete those if I wanted to. So that's how you can manage it. For the future reference, it's also a good idea to come back to the main settings app, find apps at the bottom, and as well look up messages right here. And these are like the settings for the messages app. And the thing I want you to check out is the saving of messages. Right, so you can see we have the message history and keep messages. And in my case, it is set to forever, which is fine because I'm not losing anything ever. But if I have too many attachments like photos or, as you can see, even just text messages, they take up a lot of storage if I have it set to never delete. But on the other hand, you can as well pick the 1 year or 30 days. Up to you, of course, but that would mean that after or every message older than 1 year would be deleted, and you would basically only keep the latest messages. That's great to prevent cluttering the storage, but you will lose the older stuff. So that's up to you. Let me know how you decided or how you went with it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.